Do you want to make awesome intros on your phone like this one? And perhaps update your video intros? I'd like to update my video intro. Let's do it. Once you've installed IntroMate and you open it, you'll see your projects. If you're opening it for the first time, you won't have any projects. Select a template and hit the play icon. These templates are fully customizable. Here's another one. Here's the template I used to create my channel intro. You can add media, change the colors, change the text, and add music. The first thing I'm going to do is type the text. Tap on the T and select Text 1 and type your main video title, in this case my channel name. When you're done typing, tap Done. The properties shown on this screen apply to the main video title, which looks good as is. Tap Text 4. Remove the subtitle text and add your subtitle. Tech Tips, Tricks, and Tutorials. Tap Done to see the subtitle properties. This font looks like it may be hard to read on a mobile device, so I'm going to change the font. If you'd like to download IntroMate and try it, go to the App Store and look for the icon displayed in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. I'll leave a link in the description below. The properties shown here apply to the subtitle. To change the font, tap on Font at the bottom of the screen, and then choose one of the available fonts. You can import your own fonts. I'll do a separate video on this later. As you can see, the subtitle is more legible. To modify the colors in the template, tap the color wheel and use the sliders provided. You have a choice of 3 colors, 2 ribbon colors, and then the background color. I like the colors as they are. To change the music in the intro, tap the music note. I'll do a separate video on this later. To add media to the intro, tap the media icon. With media 1 selected, tap the square, tap Photos, and then select a photo from your camera roll. I'll use this one, the background, for my thumbnails. My subtitle is hard to read because of this image, so I'm going to tap on the T and select Shadow. And then I'll change the thickness of the shadow to make the subtitle more legible. Tap the up arrow to increase the thickness of the subtitle until you can read it. To decrease the thickness, tap the down arrow. Once you've got the text the way you want and you can read it, you can save the intro to your camera roll. To save your intro, tap the share icon. Adjust the resolution in frames per second if you need to. Then tap Export. The intro will be saved to your camera roll. When the export is finished, you can drop your intro into iMovie to edit it. A good intro should be no more than 3 seconds long. It lets the viewer know who you are and the value you're going to provide. Open iMovie and select the clip that you just created. Play the intro to see how it looks. I want the intro to be a bit shorter. I'm going to remove the red and blue ribbons. I just want to see the text and the subtitle text. Move the playhead to the point just before the subtitle appears. Then tap on the clip, tap split, and then delete the left half. I don't like the default audio, so I'm going to change it. Tap on the clip, tap detach audio, and then delete the audio. Tap on the plus sign to find the audio you want to use. I'm going to use audio from a video clip. Tap video, recently added, then select your clip, the three dots on the right hand side of the menu. Then tap the audio waveform to add the audio. Make sure the sound effect lines up with the appearance of the subtitle. Then tap the blue bar, tap split, and delete the unneeded portion of the audio clip. Play the video to see how it looks. Tap done. Then tap the share icon. Tap save video. This will save the video to your camera roll. Choose the highest resolution possible. Wait for the export to finish. Tap OK. Here is a look at my new video intro.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.